This hall tree is super pretty, and I love that it just instantly creates an entryway or a mudroom situation. It works really great for apartments or a home with a small entryway where you need to utilize that space to the best of its ability. Or I even thought that it would be really great in a garage. It is made mostly of metal, which has a lovely matte black finish to it. And then it also has this pretty wood grain look feature in the shelves and on this backing. It has 5 built-in hooks for hanging things up, but it also comes with these 6 metal hooks that you can put anywhere you'd like. It has a shelf on the very top that you can use for storage or decor. You could put baskets up here with hats, gloves, and scarves. Then it has the 2 shelves at the bottom for shoes, which can hold about a medium height shoe, but the taller boots would have to go on this shelf, which is also really great for bags and backpacks, or for putting items that you need to remember to grab when you're running out the door. I often do this if I have errands to run. I will put that item right by the door so that I don't forget it. So this shelf is a perfect spot for that. It does require assembly, and it comes with the instructions, hardware, and an Allen key that you'll need it to put together. You'll just have to also grab a Phillips head screwdriver. I really love this hall tree, so I can highly recommend it.